In this video, we will play a game called Shadow Tactics, Aiko's Choice, which is a standalone expansion, and we will play it on Linux and on Windows and do a side-by-side performance comparison. First we will play it on an AMD machine, do a side-by-side comparison, Linux and Windows, and then we will do a second gameplay on Intel and NVIDIA combo. The results are very interesting, so if you are interested, the timestamps are down in the description, so you can skip any part of the video. And also, if you want to know how to play Windows games on Linux, I made a video about that and you can find the video link up there or down in the description. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Here you can find topics about Linux, Docker, game dev or software development in general, or short, agile dev art. If you like that kind of content, then give a like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I release new videos. I will do my very best to play the same on Windows and on Linux so we can compare those two gameplays. As said, the first gameplay will be on an AMD machine and you will see the specs somewhere here on the screen. So let's start with the first gameplay.
Now you shall die for the glory of Kage-sama.
Not the most elegant subtlety.
Ah, Lord.
Shuriken ready. No noise.
Shuriken jutsu.
I'm going in. Daisho. For the Shogun. Close one. We should get out of here fast.
She toys with us. Surely the house is surrounded.
It appears we are indeed surrounded. Good. Think I built that exit. If we had gone out the front door...
J.D. Chio would be sending Kage-sama our heads.
Keep searching. There must be
One of these days you must teach me how to jump down from the rooftops. With your armor, I don't think technique will make a difference.
Weapons on the door. They might still be inside.
Duty under your care. Should we head down the well? Yuki-chan found that route, if I remember correctly. Clever girl. Not afraid to crawl through the mud to keep hidden. I'm going in.
Until we have their heads.
Quiet. Time for sword work.
If they show themselves, shoot them.
No noise. Move like water. I'm going in. Yeah. Are you Shuriken? Shuriken Jutsu.
Eyes open! Do not underestimate them.
Gone too long.
A good throw, Hayato. A good throw, Hayato-san.
Easy. You should really learn how to use these.
Perhaps you can educate me later.
Jutsu. Genjutsu. Quiet. No noise. Nothing personal. Move like water.
Don't corner them like this.
Move like water.
Now a few words about the gameplay. I played the game for half an hour before I started recording. I wanted to record the game after I played a while. Now with this setup, as you saw, Windows was a clear winner. On Linux we got an average of 5 FPS less than on Windows. Now was it for me noticeable while I was playing? It actually was a bit. Now let's try the same thing on different hardware, on Intel and NVIDIA combo. And this one surprised me the most actually, so let's see the gameplay.
Now you shall die for the glory of Kage-sama.
An unfinished will be done.
Lord will be
Shuriken, are you like water quiet? Big animal. Sword wind. I will be silent. Close one. Close one. We should get out of here. Fast.
She toys with us. Surely the house is surrounded.
It appears we are indeed surrounded. Good. Surrounded. Good. I built that exit. If we had gone out the front door,
Lady Chio would be sending Kage-sama our heads.
Keep searching. They must be hiding somewhere.
one of these days you must teach me how to jump down from the rooftops with your armor. I don't think technique will make a difference. I don't think technique will make a difference.
Weapons up door. They might still be inside.
My blade for the Shogun. Should we head directions? Yuki-chan found that route, if I remember correctly. Clever girl. Not afraid to crawl through the mud to keep hidden. Skill over numbers. I'm going in.
Leave. We have our heads.
What now? Other way, maybe? Yuki-chan found that route, if I remember correctly. Clever girl. Not afraid to crawl through the mud to keep hidden.
If they show themselves, shoot them.
Time for sword work. No, nothing. Move like water. Yeah. Shuriken jutsu. Are you Shuriken?
Do not underestimate them. What's keeping him so long?
A good throw, Hayato-san.
Easy. You should really learn how to use this.
Perhaps you can educate me later.
Genjutsu. Quiet.
We've cornered them like dogs. The enemy is near.
Now again, this was the gameplay after about 20 or 30 minutes of gameplay, then I pressed record. Again, it started with Windows having a slight edge over Linux, but then suddenly halfway through the gameplay, the frame rate on Windows dropped significantly, and then it was constantly about 10 FPS lower than on Linux, which surprised me the most. And this was not only this particular gameplay, it happened every time I was playing a bit longer on Windows. I'm not sure why this happens. I disabled Windows updates, I disabled visual effects, but nothing seems to help. So this one was a big surprise to me, and I would say in this case with this setup, Linux wins. I was expecting the opposite, but it is how it is. To be fair, with this setup, the gameplay on Linux was not perfect at all. Not so much the visuals, but the audio. The audio was stuttering all the time, maybe you heard it. On Windows, I did not have this problem at all. Now, by the way, I tested this one with Linux running on a USB drive. It was not a live USB drive, but a full Ubuntu installation on a USB drive. So if you're interested how to install Ubuntu or any other Linux distribution on a USB drive, then you can check out one of my videos. I have a lots of them. For instance, the link to the ZorinOS installation is up there or down in the description. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, if you like my content, if you think it's helpful, then please give a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.